Hello, and welcome to the poster presentation about the development of an automated pipeline for XNAT Data Bulk Export as an element of the B3 Care project. First, we're going to watch an information video to explain what the B3 Care project is, what it consists of, and its goal. Acquiring a pre-selected set of imaging data is critical for the B3 Care project and will accelerate the development of software for CT imaging data post-processing. The imaging data from different projects is stored in the XNAT open source platform on a large-scale, high-quality imaging data biobank. Access to the data is granted via the virtual research workspace to conduct data analysis jointly and securely. Through the virtual research workspace, end users can develop and implement machine learning solutions that are trained and validated on the CT imaging data retrieved from the XNAT server. However, the current situation shows a lack of integration for machine learning solutions and causes the data to be unutilized. XNAT provides the option to install and apply plugins which can perform a selective data transfer, but those solutions are not automated and can still be time-consuming with immense datasets. To solve the previously mentioned problems, we started developing a Python-based application programming interface with the aim to provide a tool that can export a requested DICOM data bulk from the XNAT server to a specific network location over a reliable data stream. With a command line interface, The end user can start the API to construct a pipeline for the communication with XNAT through its representational state transfer API by performing a bash command that includes the necessary settings. The imaging data bulks can be transferred to local or remote destinations for training own models or for commercial AI tools. Functionality of the API is currently evaluated by performing transfers with anonymized CT imaging data acquired from more than 8,000 subjects. The development of the tool is done to take certain burdens of research shoulders and with the FAIR principles certainly in mind. For more information, you can read the full poster or send us an email.